Yo, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Riggz.
And your boy Juice.
Yo, man, we back for another episode of Straight to the Cloud, where we make the beat same day, make the song same day, and we send that thing straight to the cloud. That means we're going to upload it right as soon as you're done watching this video. It'll be on YouTube for you to listen to and stream and share with all your friends. But before we get into the video, I need y'all to press the subscribe button. If y'all don't subscribe, then we can't keep on doing these. And, yeah, I think you're going to love it, man. So also give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Let's get into it, man. Let's go! Oh yeah! Let you make the whole beat and then we just go from there.
Hey, that's right.
Shit. Yes, sir. Straight to the cloud, new format. Let's go. Just make it a whole beat today. Let's get it. Y'all, if y'all ever want to purchase a November bandana, just hit us up and we'll get it out to you. Yeah, November, no vacations, need better rewards. That's our brand and that's how we rock it, man. So if y'all want to cop a bandana or a t-shirt, we got the white bandanas as well. We got two different types of t-shirts. We got black and a white acronym t-shirt, which is very dope. Hit us up, man, and we'll get it to you. We also got sweatbands for y'all who be getting it in the gym like we do. Yeah, that's your jamming. Okay, Juice Togan. Like Corona, they want me average, I can't help them, Free me when I'm walking in, I can't get no welcome. They just want me to blend in, boy, I'm born to stand out. They just want me mad and grabbing, man, I'm waiting for handout, Y'all gotta deal with that, I got some mouths that I gotta feed. I done went up to the mountain's peak, I waited for God to speak. I came back with blessings, you niggas ain't proud of me. Remember those days I was down and now had nothing but red on my balance sheet. I had to march 1,000 miles, I felt I was marching to Calvary. I ain't hang up on the cross, but I went to the crossroads. Took all my problems and tossed those. Lost all my down bitches, went to Mexico when I came back with my soul. Bad money cones in these threesomes. Whole lot of dick I could please them. Used to say I'm a gun and now they all sick. They got corona. They be trying to check me, they can't never check me. They want me on buses, I'm gon' push the Bentley. They want me average, I can't be no average. Rather be a savage. Fenty on my bad bitch, I just make them sick. Like Corona, like